on my channel Beauty and the Peace, and hope everyone is doing great and you are safe at your home. I have started a new series called #WW, which means Winter and Wedding series. In this series, I will dump each and every possible video which is related to winter and wedding, means skincare, hair care, makeup kit, makeup product, makeup tutorial, and each and everything. Last year I have uploaded a perfume video where I have shown all the perfume which were under 500, and I got a huge response, so everyone asked for the next part. So I decided why not I include a perfume video in winter and wedding. But this time all the perfume are not very cheap. They are started from 190 200, and I have perfume which is 5000 6000. There are so much parties and occasions are there, and before wedding you can invest some good amount of money for some good perfume, and I hope this video will be helpful for you to get a suggestion. So let's get started. Basically there are two kind of perfume, EDT and EDP, and I have discussed elaborately about EDP and EDT in my previous perfume video. If you haven't watched the video, then I will give the link on the top of the screen, so if you are interested then go and give it a watch. But this time I will say you in shortly that EDT means the perfume will last for 3 to 4 hours, and more than 8 hours if a perfume will last, it called EDP, and rest of the thing you can know in the previous video. In winter I generally prefer fruity, florally, woody type of smell, so I have included all the perfume in this video which have very floral, candy, sweet and woody kind of smell. So the first product is Lea Watergirl Vanilla Twist. Basically this is a body splash or body spray, and I love the smell because it has very warm vanilla notes with rich coconut flavor, and I absolutely love this. Whenever I use this perfume, everyone asks me what is the perfume. After using this you will feel like a cupcake, and it has very seductive fragrance, but it is very pocket friendly. So if you want a vanilla kind of smell, then definitely you should give it a try. Body spray lasts on your skin forever. Actually, after washing your clothes sometimes I can feel the scent, because the scent is so strong, and I really can't believe that a body spray can stay so long. So definitely a big thumbs up to this product. The next product is Nykaa Wanderlust Strawberry Daiquiri fragrance mist. Basically it's a body mist, and it smells like pure strawberry. Okay, the lush sweetness of strawberries and irresistible fragrance of this product actually impress you. As a body mist I thought it won't last so long, but at least it lasts for 2 to 3 hours on my skin. I don't know how it will work on your skin, but yeah, it's also pocket friendly, so you can definitely go and give it a try. This is the Plum Body Loving Body Mist in the flavor of Hawaiian Rumba. So I have this one. This is basically a pocket perfume. You can carry this into your bag. You can get it a full size bottle also, but I want to try because I don't know about the flavor, but after using I'm really impressed, and I can say you that please go for a full size bottle. You will love this. The fragrance of this perfume is like a fruity cocktail infused with a flirtatious twist of vanilla and gardenia. So definitely you should give it a try. Very sexy scent. So yeah, as per my suggestion, I don't think it won't last more than 2 to 3 hours, because it's body mist. Definitely it won't last, but I think Nykaa one lasts on my skin more than this one. Now I have two perfumes, both are from Miniso. The first one is Exquisite Blooming EDT perfume. So basically this is a glass bottle, and the packaging is really cute. Cost is also very cheap, but the smell is very fresh kind of smell. It has very woody base. All the notes are woody. Whenever you will use it, you can feel a very subtle freshness, woody flavor. So I really like this, so I'm recommending this one. Next one is pink, and it's Melbourne Pink Lake. Basically it is also EDT, so they didn't mention over here, but it's EDT because it won't last for very long time, last you for more than 3 to 4 hours. So and the smell is kind of, how should I say, it's very citrus kind of smell, like orange or any lemon kind of smell, but it's very fresh. After a hectic day, if you want to go to a party, or if you want to join to your friends, then definitely you can give it a try on this product, because I think this will make you feel very fresh and very subtle. So definitely you should give it a try. So it's my favorite perfume, and it's from Skin by Titan and in the range of Celeste. So can you see how luxurious and sexy the packaging is? The cap of the perfume is like a diamond, and I just love the smell. I have purchased this one before my marriage, and each and every occasion I have used it. So whenever I just open it and smell it, I can feel all the vibe of my marriage. So yeah, it's a nostalgia. So sexy, and you can use in any corporate event, any date night party, any brunch date, whenever and wherever you want to use, you just can use it. You will get a pocket perfume on this range. If you don't have a huge budget for a perfume, then you can go for the pocket perfume, but please give it a try on this perfume. I'm highly recommending this one. This is just a love. This perfume lasts forever. After washing your clothes 2-3 times, you will still feel the smell of this perfume. So this is that much long lasting. The last perfume in this video is this one. Can you guys see the packaging? I saw this bottle in the mall. I just fall in love with this bottle. Can you see how luxurious, feminine and sexy the looking is? I just love the bottle. And this perfume is from Marc Jacobs, and it's called Daisy Love. I think each and everyone know about Marc Jacobs, because they have a huge variety of perfume, and all the perfumes are, oh my god, I just can't say about it, because all the perfume are so nice and so sexy. I feel that I should collect all the perfume, but they are costly. That's why it has very delicate musky tones, and it has very soft airiness. I just loved it. The floral and the fruity flavor of this perfume can impress any man anytime. So I have write down all the note of this perfume. The first top note is white raspberry, the heart note is daisy petals, and the base note is sugar musk. So you can see that there has floral, fruity and musky flavor. So you will get 3 in one bottle. So girls, save money and please have this one, because this is, oh my god, this is my love. If you don't know about top notes, heart note or base note, then definitely you should go and give it a watch on my previous perfume video. You will know all the details of perfume. It's a EDP, so it lasts for 8 to 9 hours. After that you can feel a light smell of this perfume, but it won't last as long as the Skin Titan lasts. So yeah, for today that is all guys. If you like my video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please share the video link to your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Subscription is free, and your one subscription can make me happy so much. So please make me happy by subscribing my channel, and thank you. Bye bye.